Hola, amigos.
Hi guys, I'm Nancy and this is my brother Josh.
Hello.
And today, we are constructing a gingerbread house! We have not read the instructions for this. Oh, we need scissors. Shoot.
I'll go
Shoot.
get some.
Run, get scissors!
Adios. I'm back. Get the scissors.
Scissors. Pretty nice if we remember the kit. We're not gonna read the instructions because then that would be a boring video. You don't need that box. Oh, do you smell that?
Mmm.
It smells so good. Okay, here's the icing. It smells so good. There's gingerbread men that go in. Oh my
I
goodness.
can't open it.
This is the base for our house.
Come on, you need a green tree. You need a green tree.
It says something about kneading it.
Oh, we're not putting these on.
No, those are gross. We're not putting those on. Okay, I need to like do this for like a minute. This is amazing content right here.
These are yummy.
Don't eat all the gummy trays. I think
Two.
this is enough. Squishing, you think? That's all it says. Okay. Well, does this twist off? What's happening? Oh no, we need to cut this little tip off. Just don't make it too big. It's gotta be the very. Yeah, do it. Oh! It almost hit me in the eye.
Second. Let's open it.
We have a gingerbread kit. The two
I wanna
gingerbread
decorate
men.
them.
Oh, you can put those little beads as like their little their buttons.
That's what I thought. Uh-oh.
Oh, it smells so good.
Uh-oh.
Do not spill those.
I know.
You gotta use the icing to glue them there.
Imagine.
It's not coming out.
Come out, you stupid icing. Come on.
Oh, here it comes.
Come on. That's the smallest amount I've ever seen. I think we should have cut a bigger hole.
Maybe. Oh no!
No!
He's got a strip of icing.
Wait,
on
I
his
know what to
leg.
do. I know what to do. I'm professional.
You're professional?
That's
gonna work.
Each one.
This icing is, I think we might need to cut the thing a little bit bigger. I said not to cut it too big though.
So cut it big.
I cut it slightly bigger.
Doesn't matter.
He's got little buttons. Those are the two sides.
Oh, the snowflakes.
That's the roof.
Look
I
at
know
this guy. He has
correctly.
no buttons.
Oh, poor guy. Okay, we're gonna icing the base. This icing is not coming out. This is not gonna be good. Sing a Christmas song while I do this. That's silence. It's not a Christmas song.
I'm thinking of one.
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. That's freaking Jingle Bells, man.
Oh yeah.
This is. I don't think this is gonna work, man. Oops. This is a. Oh no!
What happened?
It's a skate. A hole has breached.
Where? Where? I want to eat from it. I'm
Ew, I
starving.
breached a hole in the bag. That's not good. There's a broken hole.
Where?
It's coming out right here. We can.
Oh no.
Take some right here. Look. Let's see if I can do this without. See, it's coming out. It's coming out every time now. It's not coming out the tip anymore. It's just coming out this hole that's happened. It's not sticking to the freaking
Okay.
thing. Oh,
What the?
oh goodness gracious.
It's all over your hand now.
Uh,
It's everywhere.
all right, here we go.
There you go. Great job.
I think we did this.
I think we did it.
We gotta do the roof though. The roof's gotta happen. Get this out of here.
I'm squeezing as hard as I can.
You guys gotta be more on the edge.
It doesn't stick. No sticky.
It's just not sticking. This roof is gonna cave in as soon as we put it on the house. I swear.
Hey, baby. But maybe not.
I said, "Hey, baby."
Hey, maybe.
Hey, baby.
Maybe. I did not say baby.
Hey, baby. Roll a clip of him saying baby.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. No. I did not say baby.
Joy to the world.
Done.
The heck was that? Are you throwing up in the corner?
I'm good.
I warned you what happened if you coughed.
No!
I
I don't know what I guess there.
Well,
I'm okay.
dun 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 dun.
Oh,
dun.
Forgot about that hole.
I think it worked. It's sliding down now.
Oh, we
Stay
need
up.
someone up.
Stay up. Dun, 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 dun.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What? No, no, it's falling apart. Glue at the top, glue the top, glue the top. Oh, hopefully this will keep it sticking together.
Stay together, you stupid house.
Oh,
Oh.
no. Ah!
Whoa, what the heck?
It's getting everywhere.
This is crazy.
Look, we did it.
We did it. Oh, fudge, I forgot that. Ooh.
Oh.
Look at that. It's all over my hand.
Ew. I think this was a success.
Yes. Wait, you forgot the most important part.
Where are you gonna put the trees? Are you gluing it to the front?
Yeah.
Here's copper bottom. Doop, 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 doop.
Show the other one.
Hey.
Your mouth is not finished, but it's horrible.
Oh, Joshua Ball, you forgot.
Oh, please.
No, there's icing everywhere.
Oh, no. Sliding to the tree.
Ba-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop. Ba-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop.
There's a tree.
Our gingerbread house is
Wait, now,
complete. Gingy and Copper Bottom, their house is complete.
Gingy, your new house is done. What happened? You killed him! You killed him! You killed him!
They're dead. They're dead. Okay, we have two headless gingerbread.
He deserved it. I think I was a success.
We did it. Oh, what's happening?
What?
No, it's too late. The gum drops are falling. The gum drops are falling.
No!
I was gonna film artsy shots of it and it fell.
What?
It's all falling apart. It's falling apart. Okay, man.
Adios, amigos. We failed. What are you doing? What the heck are you doing? What the heck?
Oh, you know what?
What? Look at
A snow-covered bush.
Adios, amigos.
Goodbye.
I hate him.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry